This gimbal feels alive. Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Mic Bundle Review. It tracks everything. Ever tried filming with your phone, only for it to look like you were running a marathon in an earthquake? Yeah, been there. Between shaky footage, garbage audio, and gear that takes longer to set up than your actual shoot, it's enough to make you want to chuck your phone into the nearest lake. Missed moments, missed magic, missed everything. You know the scene's golden, but your tools? They're holding you hostage. That perfect shot is slipping away, again, and you're left wondering if you'll ever get it right. Then it gets worse. You've got one chance at the winning shot. Sun's perfect, people are in place, and bam. Your phone drops focus, audio cuts out, and your epic footage is just a blurry, muffled mess. Deadlines loom. Opportunities vanish. The stress? Relentless. Your content looks amateur when you know you can do better. Every shaky frame chips away at your credibility. And while you're battling your setup, the competition is already posting flawless, envy-inducing clips that rack up views while yours collect dust. Brutal, right? Enter the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Mic Bundle White, your pocket-sized production crew that never sleeps. This foldable AI-powered phone gimbal isn't just smooth, it's genius. Tracking 200-plus iOS apps with Apple Kit. Lock on to fast action with 15x active zoom tracking, nail multi-person shots, and move with complete freedom thanks to 360 degrees infinite pan. Built-in tripod? Check. Selfie stick? Yep. 3-axis pro stabilization, teleprompter, power bank, 10-hour battery, all in one. And the Pro Mic bundle adds an ultralight wireless mic, so your audio is as crisp as your footage. No cables, no hassle, just pure, cinematic magic at your fingertips. This thing doesn't just steady your shots, it rewires your workflow. Imagine cinema smooth video, studio clear sound, and zero setup stress. Your concentration sharpens, creativity flows, deadlines become exciting instead of terrifying. Users call it a new bar for phone gimbals and the last stabilizer you'll ever need. A travel vlogger swears the foldable design saves her luggage space and her sanity. An event filmmaker loves the multi-person tracking for flawless group shots. Even YouTubers rave about the broadcast-level mic quality. With AI-powered editing in the Insta360 app, your clips get cut to the beat automatically. From fast sports to intimate vlogs, the Flow 2 Pro nails it every time. Still curious? Press play and watch why thousands are ditching their old rigs for this all-in-one content beast. Don't sleep on this. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Mic Bundle is flying off shelves, and once it's gone, you'll be stuck chasing shaky, muffled, mediocre footage while others are stealing your views. Join the thousands already filming smarter, faster, sharper. Limited stock, limited time, no excuses. It's pro-level gear without the pro-level hassle. Ready to finally capture what you see in your head? Act now. Secure yours today. Show the world what you've really got without losing another second.